This module covers the installation of the Aqua Tron 2 non-chemical water treatment system. It is designed for cooling towers that have a maximum of 2,400 gallons of cooling water. It consists of the following components. Here's the water treatment panel. It consists of a coil around a 4-inch cylinder. Water flows in here, out here. We have a lock on here to protect from anybody getting into the system that's not warranted. And this is what the box looks like. All the components are preset. All the settings are done at the factory, so there's no reason to even open this box. The connections to the coil are already made in place. This up. Notice there's a carrying handle. There will also be a metal shroud that you'll see that protects it from the environment. The other major component involved here is a sump pump. The sump pump has a low water control right here, and I'm going to put this in the tank and start it up so that you can see the volume of the water that this system will put out. It has two plugs, one for the switch and one for the power of the pump. Pump is in operation to get an idea of the water volume involved. These are bulkhead fittings that can be used if you need to cut through the bulkhead. We recommend that you place the sub-tank at the bottom of the tank, of the sump, and then run this through above the water line. Now what you just saw is the low water volume switch just kicked off. And so that's what will happen if for some reason you forget to unplug the sump pump before the sump is drained. So the other thing about this is the hose is rather delicate. You don't want to, if it's draped over a sharp edge, over the vibration could erode it. Notice that it's divided into sections every 8 feet, which allows you to cut it and have a normal termination on here. I would recommend that you keep the full length if possible, because that adds flexibility if you were to move this to another location. It requires more hose length. So that is about all you need. You need some screws in order to mount this panel, and other than that, you pretty much maybe some pipe dope for these fittings right here. And I think that should do just about everything you need. It comes supplied with these particular fasteners. So I think that's all you need. So if you have any problems, be sure to call Mike Bromley and Waterwise, and he will help you if you're in the New York area. Otherwise, call Phil Campaign at the Water Treatment Alliance. Thank you very much. Bye now. So I just